Hello everyone, I am a grow light engineer and a grower, and I would like to introduce my hydroponics rack to you. There are 1,500 leafy vegetables grown here, including lettuce and basil. We're still doing spectrum testing, growing different vegetable varieties at the same time under different spectrums. There are Greek basil, purple basil, green butterfly lettuce, purple rosa lettuce, rouge lettuce, romaine lettuce, butter lettuce, etc. Here the spectra of our experiments are F23 multi-red light spectrum, F95 multi-blue spectrum, as well as F22 spectrum suitable for most crops. There are other spectra, we won't go through them all. There are a total of 13 spectrums. We will adjust the brightness so that all plants have the same canopy light. ppfd 250 UML per square meter per second. In this hydroponic stand G45 grow lights are used on the upper rack. The lower layer uses ARZ2H hydroponic vegetable plant lights. Our job today is thin out seedlings. When raising seedlings, in order to ensure the success of raising seedlings, some clone collar foam, hydroponic sponge, have several seeds, and when the seedlings grow up, they need to be thinned. Thinning, simply put, is the elimination of weak seedlings. It is enough to cut off the weak seedlings in the same clone collar foam.